Hey, as a fashion designer, fashion entrepreneur, or a fashion brand manager, you may want to watch this video. In this video, I will cover how to launch your brand and what mistakes you should avoid if you think about launching your brand or relaunching after many years of wholesale or fashion week strategies. This video will be useful for you, and I will cover where to start with and how to sell online. Let's dive in. Often people start with something like Instagram account plus website plus stock. This is a common mistake every single designer makes, simply because Instagram alone doesn't sell. And your website is lost in the desert of other lookalike websites and billions of websites online, and you spend all your money on stock. No more money to promote your brand, buy a course, or learn something new to help yourself and start with a better strategy. Restart basically, because with this combination you will stuck for months. Sometimes for years. Sometimes this formula looks like this: Instagram account plus website plus stock plus marketplaces plus pop-up stores. This is a money drainer formula, taking all your money and margins away. Marketplaces, you pay commissions and you don't have access to your customer. Pop-up store, you pay rent. No profit on the operation. You end up with no money, no clients online, and more complexity to manage your business and your marketplaces and organizing your next pop-up stores. So this is a common mistake, and here how you can do it differently. The common mistake, and believe me, you're not the one doing this. Most of you start with tools, not a strategic vision. You start with tools, not what really matters. What really matters is this. But before I tell you, I just wanted to show you what we do. We are I'm Fashion, and we help fashion designers to succeed in the digital world, and we help our customers to make sales online. We have a free group. This is where you can participate in our challenges, discover new courses, and access to the mindset of a new school method. If you apply the new school method, you will progress in your sales. Your social accounts will grow, but just be mindful, we don't accept everyone. It's normal because we want this group to be a quality group, and we mostly working with brands who have already a website. So if you are a brand owner and you have a website and you struggle to make sales, this group is for you. It's a free group. You can join us today. Just click the link below under this video. But back to my video. What really matters is knowing your target audience and starting working on attracting them. How? I speak in my next video about smartest route to 10K a month in 2023 for a fashion entrepreneur. You can check this video for more details. For instance, you haven't launched a brand yet and you are looking for how to start one. Don't try to buy collections. Start first with understanding your market and building connection with them, and create a social content that speaks to them. With time, you will understand what exactly they want, and you will be able to connect to them. That is how it will become evident for you which product to launch. You can test with them and then try different styles and sketches before your brand is even created. Give yourself 1 year to build this audience. Start early when your collection is not yet there. That will be your main asset to build a profitable business from year number 1. You have one element of the right formula: the audience. What are the others? Stay with me and I will show you the whole formula by the end of the video. Next, your product. Again, a product should be something your audience wants. Your audience will tell you according to the inspirations that you post provide, your quest, your looks, and they will ask you what do you wear, where they can buy that. And these are signals for your signature product. Your product should be a signature product because only you can make it and sell it. You can revise, for instance, jeans or a dress that every woman would like to wear in your audience, and just put your signature on it, put your little twist. If you're connected to your audience, your ideas will come to you through them and everything will be tailored to them. Your product would be a perfect fit for them. Then, your teasing. The teasing phase is when you ask people to subscribe to your emailing list for a waiting list before your product even is available online. Start looking for supplies, make a sample, and put out pictures online to tease for the product. Don't buy a stock. You need to sell first, then order from your supplier. We call it a pre-order drop system. You will sell first, then buy your stock so you have cash from your customers and you use this cash to place orders. Will your customers wait? Yes. You have a connection with them. They know your story. They trust you and they saw what you're capable of, and they know that the product will be of the perfect quality and they will get directly from you for the better price. They are your fans. So here's my formula if you want to launch a brand, a fashion brand today in 2023. Audience plus product plus teasing plus pre-sale order equal sales. What to expect from pre-order? Well, I would say from 15 to 100 orders easy when you have an audience and you have a great product. So if you sell, for instance, for $200 and you make 100 orders, it will bring you 20K from the first pre-order drop system. This is what our new school methodology is about. And if you want to know more how to implement this system, watch my video about the smartest route to a 10K a month in 2003 for a fashion brand. See you there!